So it's day 3, Saturday that is. We just got done with this massive oak that I'm walking by. It's actually like half the length of the entire workplace, and I'm trying not to get run over by the truck. You can see on that side what's actually coming in right now. It's that time of the year. It's a time of the year where abnormally large logs comes in, or normal log as they say here in Holland. But yeah. Look at this beach. Apparently it's been standing in Laxsjön. Is that a place in Sweden? I need to ask Bardo. It's as I said, it's the time of the year where Newman Transport comes and pick these crazy ass trees off their trailers and makes everything possible for us to mill it. And behind me is people who never seen a crane truck before. They're pretty common in Sweden. Bardo's seen them a couple times as well, or the Dutch guys seen them, but the English guys here, they have never seen a crane truck before, so it's really exciting.
That's the biggest one in this company.
So we're on Saturday and it's just past 8 o'clock. It feels like it's like 11 or 12, about bedtime that is. Currently having a problem because in my mind I didn't have my fire brigade week next week. So on Monday 6 o'clock my fire brigade week starts, which means that I need to leave tonight or tomorrow morning 6 o'clock. Currently I've got help with the duty until 11 o'clock, so that means I need to leave around lunch tomorrow, and that might happen. And yeah, around lunch is okay because I still gonna be home around 8 or 9 Monday morning, so I guess that's fine. Still a crazy long time, but that means I'm probably done milling today and down here in Holland. It's been a crazy giving experience. I mean, it's have been a lot of focus on chains, how to grind, and we also need to pack up a lot of gear, and I'm not alone with that. Here's Jake.
The best part of Team England.
What?
Best part of Team England.
Yeah, the best part in Team England.
Hello.
And that's Marcus. The other half of Team England. Yeah. You see anything?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can
see you.
Yeah, it doesn't turn on the front display.
Unlucky.
Yeah, unluckily for me. I was like, oh, it's broken. Stupid Jake. Well, that's probably it for just now. Yeehaw!